Have you ever finished a meal and immediately felt like your stomach was working against you? Maybe it's that uncomfortable bloating that makes your jeans feel 2 sizes smaller. Or the sluggish heaviness that makes you want to lie down and forget about the rest of your day. Now imagine this happening when you're rushing from class to work. Or between back-to-back meetings, you simply don't have the luxury of sitting around waiting for relief. That's exactly why this video exists. I'm here to show you that it is possible to take control of your digestion with recipes that are fast, practical, and surprisingly powerful. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated, just real solutions that you can prepare in minutes, even with the busiest schedule. And if you stick around until the very end, I'll share a bonus recipe that almost nobody talks about. Yet it could become the single most effective habit you'll add to your routine. Let's be honest, digestion is something we often ignore until it goes wrong. When your stomach feels off, it doesn't just affect your body, it affects your whole day. You feel distracted at work, too tired to study, or even too drained to hang out with friends. I remember talking to a friend who always grabbed fast food for lunch between classes. She loved the convenience, but she hated the way she felt afterward, bloated, uncomfortable, and unable to focus in the afternoon. The truth is, many of us fall into the same trap. We think we don't have time for healthy choices, but in reality, the right recipes can take less time than ordering takeout. That's what makes these solutions so powerful. They're built for real life. Not some perfect routine that no one actually has. The first recipe is a smoothie that works like a natural digestive reset. Think of it as a quick breakfast or mid-afternoon snack that takes less than 2 minutes to make. All you need is ripe papaya, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and plain yogurt. If you want it sweeter, add a drizzle of honey. Now, why does this work? Papaya is rich in papain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins, which makes it easier for your stomach to process heavy foods. Ginger is famous for its ability to calm nausea, fight inflammation, and speed up digestion. And yogurt brings probiotics, those friendly bacteria that balance your gut and help everything flow smoothly. Imagine blending all that into one glass year, not just drinking something tasty. You're giving your body exactly what it needs to feel light and energized. I once suggested this smoothie to someone who always felt sluggish before workouts. She came back a week later telling me that she no longer felt weighed down, and she actually had more stamina in the gym. That's the kind of change a simple recipe can make. Now let's move to something equally simple but designed for that uncomfortable post-meal heaviness. A soothing herbal tea. If you've ever finished dinner and felt like you swallowed a balloon, this is for you. The recipe combines peppermint, chamomile, and fennel seeds, ingredients you can find in almost any store. Peppermint relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, which eases bloating. Chamomile calms irritation and helps your whole body relax. Fennel seeds reduce cramping and make digestion smoother. Preparing it takes no effort, just steep a teaspoon of each in hot water for 5 minutes. You can sip it warm at night to settle your stomach, or pour it into a thermal bottle and carry it with you during the day. I had a coworker who always felt gassy after lunch and was embarrassed in meetings. Once she swapped her afternoon coffee for this tea, she told me she no longer had to hide her discomfort, and she actually felt calm and focused instead of jittery. That's the kind of transformation something as small as a tea can bring, for those of you looking for an actual meal that's light yet satisfying. The next recipe is a fiber-rich salad that you can prepare in under 5 minutes. Start with spinach or arugula, add sliced cucumber, grated carrots, and finish with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Every ingredient here is chosen for digestion. The leafy greens provide insoluble fiber that keeps things moving through your intestines. Cucumbers hydrate your body, which is key for smooth digestion. Carrots add soluble fiber, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Olive oil provides healthy fats that support nutrient absorption, and lemon juice stimulates digestive enzymes. You can eat this on its own, or pair it with a protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas. What's powerful about this recipe is not just the nutrition, it's the convenience. I once met a young professional who always skipped lunch because she thought preparing something healthy would take too long. After showing her this salad, she started prepping it the night before. And she said not only did she stop skipping meals, but she also stopped feeling that 3 p.m. crash. Small choices, big impact. And now comes the bonus recipe, the one that could change your mornings forever. The turmeric and lemon shot. It's so simple that it almost feels too good to be true. All you need is half a glass of warm water, the juice of half a lemon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add a pinch of black pepper to unlock turmeric's full benefits. Stir it well and drink it first thing in the morning, before breakfast. Lemon wakes up your digestive enzymes and supports your liver. Turmeric fights inflammation in your gut, and the warm water gently wakes up your metabolism. I can count how many people have told me that this one habit alone helped them feel lighter, reduced their bloating, and gave them steady energy throughout the day. I even remember one person who said it helped her finally kick her soda habit, because this morning ritual set a healthier tone for her day. Think about what we've covered so far: a smoothie that resets your stomach, a tea that calms bloating, a salad that fuels you without weighing you down, and a simple morning shot that prepares your digestion for the entire day. These aren't complicated or expensive solutions. They're quick, practical, and designed to fit into real lives where time is limited but health still matters. Imagine what would happen if you actually made one of these recipes a daily habit. Instead of dragging yourself through the afternoon, you'd have steady energy. Instead of skipping meals or grabbing fast food, you'd have quick options that support your body. Instead of waking up feeling sluggish, you'd start your day feeling light and ready. Here's the truth: improving digestion doesn't require perfection. You don't have to follow a strict diet, avoid every food you enjoy, or spend hours in the kitchen. What really makes the difference is consistency in the small things. That smoothie in the morning, that tea instead of soda, that salad you pack for work — those are the habits that add up. And over time, you'll notice you don't just feel better after eating, you feel better all the time. Your focus improves, your energy stabilizes, and you simply enjoy life more because your body isn't fighting you after every meal. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these recipes are you going to try first? Will it be the smoothie that fuels your mornings, the tea that saves you from bloating, the salad that keeps you light and energized, or the turmeric shot that transforms your mornings? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's build a list of simple, powerful habits that anyone can use. And if you've got your own quick digestive hack, share it. We're all here to learn from each other. Before you go, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe so you don't miss out on more simple health tips, and share this video with that friend or coworker who's always saying they don't have time to eat healthy. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Because in the end, digestion is at the core of your health. When it works well, everything else in your body works better. And now you know that better digestion is just a few minutes and a few recipes.